Welcome to our step-by-step guide on integrating Google Consent Mode version 2 on a Drupal website using CookieYes. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Set up CookieYes account. If you're new to CookieYes, start by creating a CookieYes account using your Drupal website. Choose the preferred layout, and if necessary, customize the cookie banner to match your design. Choose Install with Google Tag Manager as the method and proceed. For existing users, log into your CookieYes account. Ensure you remove any previous CookieYes script from your website. And make sure Google Consent Mode support is enabled on CookieYes web app in advanced settings. To enable advanced functionality, toggle Allow Google Tags to fire before consent in the CookieYes dashboard. This ensures tags fire before consent, but operate without cookies until consent is provided. Step 2. Set up CookieYes GTM template. To do this, you first need to set up Google Tag Manager on your website, as we will use CookieYes Tag Manager template for the integration. Create a new tag in Google Tag Manager by clicking on Tags in the left sidebar, then New. Click on Tag Configuration and search for the CookieYes CMP template in the Community Template Gallery. Choose the CookieYes template and click Add to Workspace. Insert your CookieYes website key here. If you are a new user, go to the CookieYes setup screen and locate the website key. Click Copy Key to copy it to your clipboard. Existing users can log into your CookieYes account and go to Advanced Settings and click Get Installation Code. From the code box, copy only this portion. After pasting the website key, set the default consent setting here by clicking Add Setting. Then select Enabled or Disabled from the drop-down for each cookie category and data sharing setting, depending on your requirements. Set the region by entering the region's ISO standardized codes or enter All for global targeting. Then click Add. Next, set consent initialization, all pages as the trigger for tags. Click Save to complete the Tag Manager setup on your Drupal website. Step 3. Integrate Consent Mode in Drupal. For the final steps of the integration, in the Drupal admin dashboard, navigate to Extend from the top menu. Add an extension module for Google Tag or Google Tag Manager, or search for a suitable extension. In the filter field, search for the name of the added extension. Google Tag. Click on the extension and select Configure. In the Google Tag ID field, enter your Google Tag ID or container ID, which you can copy from the GTM container dashboard. Click Save to finalize your Google Tag configurations. Step 4. Verify Consent Mode integration. After setting everything up, it's important to verify that the integration is working. Go to Advanced Settings in the CookieYes dashboard. Click the Check Now button next to Check GCM Status. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see a No Error Detected message. For further verification, check out our verification help guide. If you encounter any issues, check out our GCM troubleshooting guide or contact support.